Zingy, very
Yeah.
nice to meet you. You are the developer of, we call it OmniCards.
Yeah, that's exactly right. I develop it with 4 other friends.
All right, fantastic. Nice to meet
Yes.
you, by the way.
Nice to meet you. Yay.
Very happy that you joined me for this spatial FaceTime call, and apparently your app does spatial 3D multiplayer on a card table. So I'm really excited to
Yep.
see how that works with you. So how do we get started?
We start by starting a FaceTime call first,
Uh-huh.
and then going spatial like we are right now. And then you just open the app, and in the entry screen, you should see a big Start Share Play button. And one of you guys click that, and now you can click that. Yes, the Start Share Play.
Here
Yes.
we are. Okay, here we are.
Yes, and on my side, and then I just click Join Share Play. And then
Hey, there
here
you
we
are. Oh,
Yay!
perfect.
So there's a Take Seat button right in front of you.
Okay.
You just click that.
Okay.
And so the thing with our app is that first of all, we don't do eye tracking and hand gesture, so everything 3D is just hand gesture only. So for example, the handle that you just used to adjust the height of the table,
Uh-huh.
apparently it's not like eye tracking, you just like use your hand. And of course, like the button we just used to take seat, that's also just hand gesture. You click it, and that's it. If you open your menu, you can see that in the tab, first of all, you can see the table. There's you and me, and you can see where you're sitting. And then if you click to the second one, card library.
Uh-huh. Let's try to start with maybe a poker game.
Yep.
Because I want to show how the betting function works as well.
Yep. Yeah. Let's do that. So let's do a poker game. So I just click add to table, and now we have a deck of poker cards on the table, and then here with the cards you can grab by just like grabbing a card.
Oh,
and
wow.
you can put it onto your handbar right here.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
I see a
then-
wait, I see it. Can you see my Joker?
No, but you can like.
Oh, it's
if you-
invisible. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Because it's in your hand. But if you put it into the public zone is like anywhere above the table.
So-
you will be able to see
oh.
it. Yeah. So let me. Yeah. Also, you can just like throw
Oh,
away.
that's so cool.
Yeah, and you can also use your hand just like to move the card like that on the table.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can slide it.
All right, so can we auto deal 5-card draw for poker?
Yes.
Oh, I'm figuring it out. I got it.
Nice. Nice. That's perfect.
Okay, we got some shuffled cards. Okay, so
Nice.
now I want to bet.
Yes, you want to bet, then you can click on the wallet on your right hand.
Okay, so I got the wallet.
Yeah.
Now, I guess we trust each other here if we want to adjust our balance. Maybe we both
Yeah.
start with 100.
That's
Okay,
fine.
so we'll adjust balance to...
Okay. 100. Or you can do whatever you want.
Well, let's do 100.
Okay, I will also do 100 then.
All right.
And then now you have 100. And if you want to use chips, then you can just type on the 1, 2,
Yeah.
5, and then there will be chips.
Wow, okay. So I'm going to bet you
Okay.
5 before the draw. So I'll toss, let me see. I'll toss that 5 into the pot. And
Okay.
all right, so...
For me, like, for example, I don't want this 10 anymore. I want to put it back into my bank. I just have it, throw it right into the bank, and we'll be back.
Oh, wow, okay.
Let me bet 7.
Oh, you're raising me.
Hey,
All
I
right,
am.
all right, I'll call. All right, so
Okay.
we got 7 and 7. I'll stack my chips right there.
Okay.
Now I want to draw. So
Yeah.
I'm going to choose...
Okay.
Okay, so I've selected
Yeah.
my 3 cards that I want
Yeah.
to draw.
You want to draw means that you want to give it out,
Yep.
and then you can just pinch on those cards and drag it out towards the table.
Ah, and I'm going to put them face down. I don't want you to see what I put away.
Oh, yeah, just have them face down.
All right, so I'm going to draw 3 cards. Let me bring this over here.
Okay. 2 and 3.
I'll bring that back to you.
Okay.
What are you going to do?
Then I am going to also have this 3 card here.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm going to draw. And then, yes, okay. Let me draw 1, 2, and 3.
All right, so now we have one more round of betting. So do you want to bet?
I'm going to check.
All right. Just for fun, I'll bet 10. There we go.
Okay. Then I will also bet 10 then.
I love tossing those chips in the pot. That's fun.
Yeah, it is.
All right. So we made our bets. Now, if I want to show all my cards,
Yeah.
how do I do that?
You just point your fingers towards the cards again, and just click on the bottom left rectangle.
Got it.
For every single one of them.
Perfect.
And then play it. Yay. Okay.
Well, okay.
They
Yours spanned out really nicely. I only have ace
Yeah.
high. What do you have here?
Oh, I just have a king.
King high. All right. So I win the pot, and I guess
Yay.
in that case.
Yeah. One thing that's very cool that you can do is that if you click on your wallet.
Oh, collect all on the table.
Yes.
Ah, wow. Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So you said you have a few other decks,
Yes.
So what else can we do with this?
Color Rush, but it's pretty much like very similar to Uno game, and we also have a taboo game, which is basically we can also try that taboo. Okay,
Yeah.
This is a taboo game. So I have a card right up here, and
Yeah.
you can see
Yep.
the word, and then you can give me hints. I have to guess the word without saying the following words.
I know this game. All right,
Yes.
let me try to give you a quick. Okay, I'll just try to get you to say this. Okay.
Okay.
This is made out of a soft material. It becomes hard after you heat it up. You can make cups and different dining.
Clay?
Yeah, clay. But what's the actual? What's the term that you would use for somebody who's into making clay things? Like, what are they actually doing? It's called.
Pottery?
That's it. Pottery. You got it.
Yay!
All right, I love taboo. That's so cool. I love that we
Yes.
can play that digitally.
Yeah.
I want to run through a couple others though. So why don't we
Okay.
go through Uno then,
Okay, sounds good.
or Color Rush? I don't know if you have to call it Color,
Color
Rush.
Rush. Yeah, exactly how to call it Color Rush. Let me add that to table. Yeah, it's right here. So let me shuffle first. Oh, I haven't shown you the shuffle yet. So you shuffle. There's the shuffle.
Wow.
And then we can do. Oh, don't forget to take seat.
Take seat. Okay.
Yeah. And then let me do 7 to each of us. Okay.
Oh yeah, you even got the different cards. Okay.
Yep. And one thing that you could do is that on the right hand side of your handbar, there is this options button.
Yep.
And if you click on that, there is a menu coming up, and you can click on the expand card,
Okay, I gotcha. Yeah.
and the cards will actually expand.
Wow.
So that you can look at it more clearly.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay. So how do we get? Do we have to have one that's face up first, or
Yes, exactly. Let's have one. It's
Okay.
yellow 6.
yellow 6? I'll play my wild.
Okay. Oh, damn. Okay. Let me draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have so many cards.
All right.
Let me. Oh, you can choose a color then, I guess.
Oh, I'll choose pink.
Let me get it. Pink +2. Haha.
All right. Wait, the +2. Does that mean I have to draw 2?
Yeah.
And so you press something to draw.
Yeah, so on your left hand side of the bar.
Oh, got it. Got
Yeah.
it. All right. So I got 2, and then I can put a pink one out.
Yes.
Okay.
Pink 9. Okay. I have a pink 5.
All right. It feels very fluid. Like even the way these cards, you can take any card. Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
We try to make it very. We try to adjust our physics to be as much similar to the real life as possible.
I could sit here and play for a while. What other? Do you have any other games?
And then we have one more, which is Hanafuda. It's right here. It's the Japanese poker. It has a pretty steep learning curve, so I don't really expect a lot of people to really know about it. But it's just like a Japanese poker.
Oh, I think for our audience here, probably
Yeah.
not going to be following Japanese poker. But I'm just
Yeah.
looking at these pretty cards, though. This is pretty
Yeah.
neat.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So how long did it take for you to develop this app?
We started exploring probably in late June-ish, and then initially it's just like 2 of the people on the team started exploring it,
Uh-huh.
and then the rest of us were still working on our previous projects, and then after the exploration we thought, oh, this is pretty neat, so all of us just hop onto this project for about 4 months now.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And so it's a free app. but then you have in-app purchases to unlock. Like, tell me how that works.
Yeah, so the app itself is totally free, and inside the app, all the features are free as well. Just the cards are not free. The cards have several free. There's one deck of free cards which is called Icebreakers, just so that like people can get to know each other.
Okay.
And then the poker has several free trials,
Uh-huh.
and after the free trials are done, you have to buy it, and then you can play it. So when you're trying to play with friends, as long as there's one people who has the deck of cards, then everyone can play together. So
wow.
it's not that like everyone has to buy the deck.
Yeah, and what's
Yeah.
the cost structure?
The cost is basically it's $2.99, but it's basically $3 per deck for most of for the poker, Hanafuda, and the color rush. And for taboo it's just $1, which is $0.99.
Wow. All right. This is super cool. I gotta say, just for people watching this, I reached out to you. You didn't reach out to me. I was just interested to try this out. There's no payment going on here or anything. We're just having a nice conversation.
Yeah.
I honestly can say I really like this app. I wish like if more people had Vision Pros, like more of my friends, I could really see myself using this. But this is super cool. Just so fluid and like it's amazing. So
yeah, we spend a lot of time adjusting all the hand gestures, try to make them as smooth as possible.
Yeah. Well, I think this gives a quick little demo for people who might be interested in this app. I appreciate your time, and I think we can close it out here. And
sounds good.
For the audience, thank you for watching, and for Xingyi, thank you again for your time.
Thank you. We also have like a user community Discord server.
Okay.
So I can give you the link, and if you are interested, you can just join the server.
Perfect. I'll put that in the description.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.